चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
We're getting to you news from West Bengal, where there have been tensions, violence, that mars the entire all of. And Rekha Patra, who's the Boshirhat candidate from the BJP, right now in a confrontation, we can see on your screens, viewers. Those are some dramatic visuals coming in.
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কত দিয়েছে আপনাদের? মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কত দিয়েছে?
আমাদের ওই 5 জনকে
কত দিয়েছে সেটা বলুন। কত দিয়েছে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী?
তাহলে তো এখানে কোনো ঝামেলাই থাকে না।
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী ঝামেলা কি দেখবেন? সাধারণ মানুষকে মেরে ঝামেলা করবেন?
হ্যাঁ বলো।
সাধারণ মানুষকে মেরে ঝামেলা করতে এসেছেন এখানে?
বলো।
সাধারণ মানুষকে আপনার ঘরের কি কাজের লোক?
জায়গা দাও।
আর
বলো।
কিছু বলে লাভ নেই এখানে। চলুন বুঝতে যাই। কোথায় যাচ্ছেন আপনি?
প্রত্যেকের আধার কার্ড দেখবেন, আই কার্ড দেখবেন। এখানে কেউ ভোট দেয়নি, ভোট এখানে ছাপ্পা হয়।
All right, there you have those visuals coming in from West Bengal. There, Rekha Patra confronting the West Bengal police on the matter, and she is the she's the Boshirhat candidate, and she's a Sandesh Khali survivor. Also, there you can see a dramatic altercation unfolding between Rekha Patra and the security personnel there. Bengal cops helping. She alleges that she helped TMC goons to loot votes. She says Rekha Patra alleges that she's not being treated right by the security personnel, and she will file a complaint against the police personnel there. She said that the votes are being looted, and she said that she has requested to check everyone's Aadhaar card and ID card. That is the latest update we have as far as Rekha Patra and the clash that clash you are witnessing. And Rekha Patra there fighting it out with the authorities, with the police personnel, and on your screens. In fact, my colleague Kisholay is joining us live from our Bangla newsroom from Kolkata. Kisholay, this is a heated argument we are seeing, and these are some really serious, allegations that are being made by Rekha Patra. Earlier too, we learned about how there was a threat to her life. She was given security. She's a Sandesh Khali survivor. She has, dared to speak up against dons like Sheikh Shah Jahan, and now she's contesting Lok Sabha elections, and once again we see some trouble happening, and she's making allegations and also saying that she'll file complaint against them.
Well, exactly. These are latest visuals from Sandesh Khali. Now, what happened in Sandesh Khali was a BJP worker was injured, and the BJP is alleging that the TMC is directly involved in this. Rekha Patra immediately reached at the particular location we are talking about, Boiramari in this case. And as soon as Rekha Patra reached the location, the police officials there confronted Rekha Patra, and Rekha Patra is alleging that they tried to stop her from entering the area. Also, there was a clash among the TMC and BJP BJP workers in Sandeshkhali. And in fact, these are live visuals of Rekha Patra confronting the police officials deployed there, and also the central forces are taking her out of that particular area. Now, Rekha Patra is alleging that BJP workers have been targeted by TMC goons in Sandeshkhali. This is because tables are turning in Sandeshkhali, and Rekha Patra is claiming that because BJP is winning in several areas, that is the reason that the TMC is irked, and therefore they are trying to stop BJP supporters from voting, and therefore they are also trying to injure BJP workers. Now these are live visuals, these are exclusive live visuals we are getting. Rekha Patra confronting the police officials and security and asking the officials questions, tough questions. West Bengal cops are being asked tough questions by Rekha Patra that why the TMC goons are not being stopped by the police. Why the TMC goons are allowed to attack the BJP workers? Why the TMC goons are not arrested by the police? These are the questions that Rekha Patra is asking. Rekha Patra is also asking tough questions, including why a BJP candidate won't be allowed to enter into the constituency from where she is representing, from where she is fighting, and why won't they let her go inside? All these altercations happened, and also we saw just a while back, a while before Rekha Patra reached the particular location, a BJP worker was grievously injured. Now, why the BJP worker could not be saved, why the BJP worker could not get police protection is also some questions, some important questions that are being raised by Rekha Patra here. Therefore, as we saw a few days back, Rekha Patra was sitting with the Prime Minister in the same dais. The same Rekha Patra is now fighting on the ground and asking tough questions to West Bengal police. Also, she is trying to ensure that the BJP workers get enough security and that they are not attacked by the TMC goons.